What about you? Robbie from Premier Lawns Lawn Care Company based in Belfast, Northern Ireland. We're just doing a real quick scarifying job today, so stick around. We have done our double scarify. A bit more came out in the second pass. Wasn't too much in this lawn, this was more just a maintenance scarify. Do it once a year, keep the thatch and the moss at a good level, not too much. So let's get the blower out and start into the clear up. So here you can see, took a good pile out, a wee bit more than I expected to come out of the lawn. This is just to keep the moss and the thatch down to a minimum, keep the lawn in really good order and help it breathe. So as whenever we get a lot of rain here in Northern Ireland and Belfast, that moss and thatch isn't sealing the surface. If you've enjoyed this video, if you could hit that like button down below and subscribe for more content like this. I post lawn care videos on a regular basis. If you subscribe and make sure you hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future content. If you can smash that like button down below, it really helps me out and it helps me grow my channel. I have a couple of videos at the end coming up here that I think you'll really like, so make sure you check them out. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.